tattoos?
Nah.
Liar. So today is a little different. Me and Kory are in Brooklyn!
Yay!
Yay! So today him and I are going to be doing something either completely adventurous or completely idiotic. Today we are traveling to Electric Anvil Tattoos and we're going to be getting gumball machine tattoos!
Yay!
We're idiots. So, how this works is you pay $100 and you get a token, and the token is so that you'll be able to access the Get What You Get machine. That's the name. And inside, it's not obscene. There's a bunch of different traditional pieces of artwork. I think there's some other styles, but it mainly consists of traditional. And it's literally what the machine's called. It's Get What You Get. You don't know what the tattoo is. You have ideas, because I know traditional tattoos mainly consist of like roses, knives, skulls, anchors, yeah. So there's a lot of traditional pieces of artwork there. I'm very familiar with traditional because that's like mainly what all my tattoos consist of. If I get another flower though, I'm gonna be really freaking mad because I already have so many roses, but. So you put the token in the machine and you spin and it's whatever it is. And it's not mandatory, you know, like if you get something you don't like, you could either pay an extra $20 to spin again for the machine, or you could just not get it. I mean, it's not like they're gonna force you and be like, oh, you spun, paid money, you gotta taint your body forever, you know, with the artwork you don't want. And it's like, no, like they're pretty cool. So I'm hoping they're gonna let me record in there. If not, I'll just post a bunch of pictures of like what I get and what Kory gets and etc, etc. But right now we're driving in Brooklyn, and I forgot how crappy driving in Brooklyn really is. Just driving in the city generally sucks. There's traffic city central, but we're on our way there. It's 9:13 right now, and they're not open till like 12, so Kory and I are probably just gonna BS around until they're open. So right now we're gonna get Galaxy Bagels, because I've never done that before. This is like my second time being in Brooklyn in like my 20 years of life, so. Just to let you guys know, I'm going to leave the links to everything we're going to be going to, like the tattoo shop, the bagel store, etc, etc, down in my description. So if you guys, you know, are watching the video and you are like, oh my god, I want to go there, just click on the link and it'll give you the directions. So you're welcome. I love you. Oh my god! Okay.
Yeah, you got the Galaxy.
Oh, wow. That is diabetes. How does yours look? Womp womp. Mine looks better. All that cream. Wait, let me see that. It looks like freaking marshmallow fluff. Oh my god. Well, I'm excited. Is it recording?
Absolutely not.
I feel like you don't know what you're doing. I love you.
I love you, babe.
Is it recording? I can't.
It is recording.
Oh, lit. Hi, everybody. Got coffee, and I want to make a vote right now. What's better, hot coffee or this crap right here? This monstrous.
Cold coffee is far superior.
It is the devil.
It is.
It is the devil.
It is delicious.
No. Coffee is meant to be hot and steamy and not ice water.
Well, you know what? Whether hot or cold, coffee should be coffee and no milk, no sugar.
The coffee's that good, I can agree, but I'm usually one of those type of people that it's like, this will be the coffee and then creamer. You should see how I make coffee whenever I'm at work. They're like, where'd all the vanilla creamer go? Oh, Kat must have been thirsty. Oh, well. This is what the rainbow bagel looks like.
Ooh.
So, there's that. And
Let me zoom in on that.
Kory actually finished his.
You see that? You see those sprinkles?
Stop. But Kory actually finished half of his bagel, which is like shocking. Because that means you know it's good, because he's like the one person that hates sweets. Like,
I don't hate sweets, I just have to be in the right mood for sweets, and I wasn't really in the mood for it this morning.
You're like never in the mood for sweets. You actually had half your bagel, and this stuff, like this cream cheese shit, it literally tastes like a marshmallow. It literally tastes like a marshmallow, and all these sprinkles, I got so scared that it was Pop Rocks, and I feel like no one can hear me because there's so many buses right now. We're sitting on top of Kory's car, right next to a fucking road. The store we went to is called the Bagel Store, right? Or the
yes, just the bagel store.
It's called the Bagel Store, home of the rainbow bagels. There were so many bagels in there though that were just like unicorn, and there was like a donut bagel, and it's like we were in there for how long trying to decide?
Probably a good 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'm just staring at it like, heaven, what happened? You exist? I thought you were a myth. There were so many I love rainbows. I love rainbows and everything, but yeah, these are really big sprinkles. Can we just take a minute to appreciate that my socks have little bubble teas on them? I love bubble tea. Apparently, because Kory and I, when we planned this trip to come out here, we were gonna put a lock on the Brooklyn Bridge. I read an article that my dad gave me that it's a $100 fine to do that now, and there's a bunch of signs on the bridge that has like a lock with a X mark through it, and it's like you'll get a $100 fine. Because apparently that's a safety hazard, and people pay thousands and thousands of dollars to give to the town or the city or whatever to take the locks off. So it's like that kind of ruins the entire thing if, you know, police and shit are just gonna take off the lock. I'm gonna find like a little secluded place that we could put a lock, because I already brought it, a lock somewhere, and he's gonna carve.
Putting our initials in it right now.
Yep, he's gonna carve our initials on it. And we're gonna put it somewhere so that no one can ever take it off. Because I'd like to come back here down the line and be like, hey, remember when we did this?
Daydream. I fell asleep beneath the flowers. For a couple of hours. On a beautiful day. Daydream. I dream of you amid the flowers. For a couple of hours. Such a beautiful day.
It's a spy from behind my giant robot's eyes. I keep him happy cause I might fall out if he cries. Scared of heights so I might pass out if he flies. Keep him on autopilot cause I can't drive. Room enough for one, I tell my homies they can't ride. Unless we're sitting on the shoulders, but that's way too high. Let's try not to step on the children. The news cameras filming this walking project building. Now there's hoes selling hoes like right around the toes. And the crackheads beg at about the lower leg. There's crooked police that's stationed at the knees, and they do drive-bys like up and down the thighs. And there's a car chase going on at the waist. Keep a vest on my chest. I'm sitting in my room as I'm looking out the face. Something to write about. I still got some damage from fighting the White House. Just a
daydream. I fell asleep beneath the flowers. For a couple of hours. On a beautiful day.
I dream of you amid the flowers.
I dream of you amid the flowers.
For a couple of hours.
For a couple of hours.
Such a beautiful day.
Such a beautiful day.
Now come on everybody, let's make cocaine cool. We need a few more half-naked women up in the pool. And hold this Mac 10 that's all covered in jewels. And can you please put your titties closer to the 22s? And where's the champagne? We need champagne. Now look as hard as you can with this blunt in your hand. And now hold up your chain, slow motion through the flames. Now cue the smoke machines and the simulated rain. But not too loud cause the baby's sleeping. I wonder if it knows what the world is keeping. Up both sleeves while he lay there dreaming. Me and my robot tiptoe round creeping. I had to turn my back on what got you paid. I couldn't see, had the hood on me like Abu Ghraib. But I like to thank the streets that drove me crazy. And all the televisions out there that breaks me. I was daydreaming. I fell asleep beneath the flowers. I fell asleep beneath the flowers. For a couple of hours. For a couple of hours. What a beautiful day.
This is definitely something off the bucket list. So I'm happy. You're happy? I'm very happy. So yay, next tattoos. And now we're on our way to get mystery tattoos and I'm very nervous. I hope I don't get another flower. That's all I don't want another flower. With my luck, I'm gonna get another flower. Kory, what do you hope you're gonna get?
I don't know. I really am cool with like dragon, an eagle, a phoenix, another skull, maybe like a devil.
A devil? Is a devil traditional?
I feel like there's somewhere along the line. Or maybe like a Greek god, because I know there's a few of those.
We're like 15 minutes away and I'm just like this is either the stupidest or funnest experience that's gonna happen to us. I'm totally gonna get a flower. I like feel it. We're in front of the tattoo shop and I'm like so nervous. I'm like so scared. We found a parking spot. It doesn't look busy. It says walk-ins welcome.
Let's go, baby!
Can we stay in here for like a couple more minutes?
Hell no! Gotta jump in the fire. Let go!
Can you open up your door, can you?
Let's go.
Oh my god! Kory made a friend. Oh my god, Kory. You have to keep the cat now.
That's how I fell in love with another cat, then he ran away.
Kory, well, do the laser pointer. I don't want it to go in the street.
Hey. Camera, go up and do it.
The token. It looks like it has like a little eagle on it. It says no cash value.
It's a regular arcade token.
I'm
Stop.
actually gonna freak out.
Stop stalling.
I don't want a rose because I already have so many.
You're gonna get a rose. Watch out.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna jinx
You can't tell the
myself.
machine what you don't want, because then that's what you're gonna get.
Don't tell her that.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
As long as it's
Babe.
big, 'cause I want to put it on my foot. Okay. I really don't. Might need one more little click to the side. Oh.
Josh, what do you think it's gonna be? Rose.
Is this swallow?
I swear to God, if I get a swallow. Oh my God. Are you kidding?
What is it?
I got a swallow. I already got it. I already have this as a tattoo.
Alright, but I might want
What's
it.
the fourth one that came out today? We need no more swallows.
I threw it away.
Okay.
This is what I got.
Like three.
You want to re-roll?
Yeah, yeah.
No, you go first, and we can trade.
Alright.
So what are you gonna get? Please be something cool. I want to trade.
It might be something I want to keep.
Oh yes. What is it? Unroll.
No, it's not. Trade. Actually, I vibe with it. I would totally get that.
Oh, cool.
It's a little trippy, but I don't have a plan for a trippy sleeve.
It's a heart.
No, it's a butterfly.
Is it? It has like a face on it.
Yeah, and a heart on the other wing. So would you like me to re-roll yours, Dad?
Do you want to re-roll yours?
Well, you want that?
You could keep that and then you can re-roll mine. Because you look cool with a swallow, but my mom's probably gonna be, it'd be like,
your mom's gonna give me shit for it.
she's gonna be like, you did that on purpose, you got a matching tattoo.
Yeah, my mom's a bit of a schmuck like that. So I re-rolled.
What'd you got?
Oh, it's a snake, I think.
Gimme.
No, I said I wanted a snake. Oh, no. Would you want that?
I have a dagger.
So, I'd kind of really like that.
So you keep that.
And you get that. It's about the same size as your swallow.
I'd keep the swallow then. I don't want the butterfly.
You really don't want the butterfly?
I mean, this is like, I have a dagger, I have a swallow. I have too much traditional. I have way too much traditional.
Do you want that, babe?
No.
Do you want me to get your reroll?
I don't want you to spend like $40. I love how I came here and I was like, oh, you know, I'm just gonna stick to the first one. So much for that. Hi, Kory, you have a 20.
That's my last 20.
Okay. Lucky number 3.
That was also my second, so I needed to run across the street.
Alright.
Because I'm not.
This is our swallow, isn't it?
Nope.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Vandal. I'm not doing it again, babe. I don't have any more.
Alright, deal. Fuck. I'm thinking. Hang on. I like it. How many times did it take for us to spin to get P happy? Stop staring at me. I only spun like 4 times. 5, maybe. Shut up.
You said you're gonna go with the first one no matter what.
I don't recall saying that at all. So, didn't you say you were gonna go with the first one no matter what?
Yeah, and you wanted it. And then I had to keep on respinning, so I kept on having more options to pick from.
I don't recall.
Of course you don't.
I don't recall. I'm first.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm gonna get it right here.
I've done this before.
How many times did I spin to be happy?
4.
Shut up.
Yeah, you finally got what you wanted.
Yeah,
You literally got what you wanted here.
I know. And then I gotta forget.
Yeah.
Well, alright.
You don't have to tell everyone it's 4 spins. You can alter your story.
The first spin, I got exactly what I wanted. It's great. But my boyfriend, on the other hand, oh my god, he spun so many times.
8 times. It's crazy.
What the heck, Kory?
I don't know. I'm just messing up today.
Rule number 1 is that you gotta have fun. But baby, when you're done, you gotta be the first to run. Rule number 2, just don't get attached to somebody you could lose. So let me tell you, this is how to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like a little danger. We'll get him falling for a stranger, a player singing I love you. How to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like the look of danger. We'll get him falling for a stranger, a player singing I love you. At least I think I do. Cause I love you. Rule number 3, wear your heart on your cheek, but never on your sleeve, unless you wanna taste defeat. Rule number 4, gotta be
see it. Oh my god, walking right now. Hi, baby. Where is it? You're gonna fall asleep, aren't you?
Probably.
Asshole.
Okay, so
Shut up. Oh my god, that looks freaking dope.
That's awesome.
I don't think for this video I'm gonna be putting in a pet of the week. But thanks you guys for coming on this little journey with me and Kory, who just is not paying attention to me at all.
I'm driving.
That's an excuse.
Would you let you get in a car accident in Brooklyn?
That's a state of mind.
No, that's a physical state. It's called a state of my new car is gone and we're in the hospital and it's all my fault. Because I looked at your video camera while I was
Okay, please like, subscribe, comment if you guys would do a gumball machine tattoo and let fate pick it out for you. You know, just drop a comment, whatever, words jumbling. I'm gonna go take a nap now, so bye my loves! Mwah!